Hello, my name is Brian Downing. I am a key account manager for Miele USA, and today we are here at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center, where we're going to go over the breadth of Miele products. So Miele is known for quality and sustainability. We've got a large breadth of product as we've seen here today, but one thing we have not talked about yet is the compact washer dryers. Welcome to our W1 and our T1 series. Compact washer dryers. We feature a heat pump technology that runs off of 120 volts in a dryer that is ventless, and within the washing machine also 120 volts for primary bedroom suites, secondary ADUs, or maybe upstairs, downstairs livings. Very powerful. They hold up to 17 pounds of laundry, and most importantly, they care for premium quality clothing. You'll save money on dry cleaning and have it right here in your home. So now I want to show you the capacity size of the Miele T1 and W1. If you look down here, they are small, but they are mighty. They hold 17.2 pounds of laundry. A California King comforter will fit, wash and dry within these W1 and T1 Miele washer dryers. The W1 and T1s in person at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance.